how to change the language on YouTube on your television. So if your YouTube app is in the wrong language and you want to change it back to another language, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up the YouTube app like you see here. You can then use your TV remote to come all the way over to the left-hand side, and you should see this brings up the navigation menu. Now, what you need to do is scroll all the way down to settings at the bottom of the page. Now, even if you can't read the language, you should be able to find settings just by looking for the settings cog icon next to it like so. Now, once you've selected settings, you'll then need to go and find the language options. Now, obviously, you're not actually going to be able to read the language on the TV. So what you'll need to do is from this settings page is just go and come down 9 different items. So let's do this now. We're going to come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And on this 9th item is the language settings. Now, to ensure that you've selected the correct option, you should see this icon that you see here. So you can see it kind of has this speech bubble with a squiggly line. Make sure you've selected the correct option. You can then scroll over on the right hand side and click on this. And this is where you can go and set a different language. So I'm just going to scroll all the way up to the top here until I find English, and I'm going to click on it like so. If your language is set to something like Chinese and you can't read anything, then you'll just need to try choosing different options until there's a language that you can read, and then you can go and select English from the list of options. So that's how to change the language on your YouTube TV app.